Hello again, and thanks for coming back to my channel. We are doing yet another Dollar Tree DIY, and these first two are going to be a candle stand and a plant shadow box. The candle stand is so easy. These two pieces of glass, I glued them together and I painted them black, and then I decorated the edge with like a little bit of jute, and that's it. That was my candle stand. This next one is going to be featuring these popsicle sticks. They come in a pack of 100, and I just put them in a hexagon shape and started gluing them on top of each other. So there's 100 in each pack, and I did use the total pack in this one, and I made 2 of them. So again, you just continue to stack them on top of each other until you're all done, and they will end up looking like this. So I just spray painted that as well, and then I got this moss sheet from the Dollar Tree as well. I'm just trying to figure out how I want to place it in the background. I ended up just gluing it to the back, and then cutting it out to fit, and just trimming off the excess that came out around the edges. And then you're just gonna start decorating the inside. They had these little fake moss rocks, or moss stones rather, there as well. So I got a few of those and put them inside. And they also had these little fake succulents, and I just took those and trimmed off the end of it and stuck those in as well. And I wanted it to like stand up, so I glued those 2 little wood stems on the bottom, and here we go, our little candle holders and our plant shadow boxes. For this last DIY, we're going to be making a throw blanket basket, which was so easy. I got this white basket basket, sorry, from the Dollar Tree, of course. And guess what color I spray painted it? Black, of course. And then I got this, it's like a burlap ribbon from there as well. And I just took it and like intertwined it between those little lines or whatever on the basket. That's all I did. This was so easy, and it came out so nice. I really like this one. So I wanted it to stand up off the ground just a little bit, and I happen to have these little cubes that I had picked up one day from the store, so I just decided to glue them to the bottom of it. And yeah, it just gave it like a little extra something. It looks a little better when it's like raising off the floor like that. I like it. And that's it. Quick 3 little Dollar Tree DIYs. And once again, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.